Hello everyone, I hope it's not too windy up here today. I was supposed to be going to Sweden today on a work trip, but for a series of very strange events, this is not going to happen. You see, Bergamo, where the airport is, has been declared since yesterday as a yellow zone in the Italian coronavirus outbreak. And today is our first day here in Emilia-Romagna that we have some coronavirus related restrictions. So the center of the outbreak is in Lombardy region, which is right up north from here. The capital of the region is Milan, as you may know. And since yesterday there has been some red zones declared, so there are no-go zones with some military patrolling the streets for the curfews. And here in Emilia-Romagna we are experiencing some yellow zone level restrictions. So, sorry, it's the wind, I'm not crying. So what that means is that all universities, schools and public gathering places are closed. We have received some instructions from our regional government to avoid crowded places and otherwise people gatherings and events. It should be really windy now. I apologize, I need to get a fluffy microphone for my phone. Anyway, so I thought I would take you guys with me today. First of all, on my commute to work, since I'm not going to Sweden. And second of all, we will see today as I get to the office and later maybe go get some supplies and food for the next few days in case shit hits the fan. So, stay tuned. Hi guys, so I got off work pretty early today and I'm going to be working from home for I think entire next week, maybe even 2 weeks. So instead of going to Sweden, I went to IKEA, which is maybe the next best thing because supermarkets are running a little bit low on food. So yeah, I thought I'd come here to buy some meatballs, and which I got. So if you're watching this, IKEA still has food. Hey guys, so I made it home. Sorry I couldn't show you some more stuff from work, but I didn't think it was appropriate to film inside my workplace. Anyway, we have a high-speed train that's been stopped here for like 30 minutes. I've heard that they're doing some special hygiene procedures on the trains and kind of checking for any possible infections. Yeah, this is it for today, I think, and thanks for coming along. So this is just normal rubbing alcohol because the alcohol gels are quite scarce, so this works. Smells like horrible alcohol, but you gotta do what you gotta do.